Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. My name is Takhsh. I'm an immigration attorney from Chicago. I've been doing this line of work for over 10 years, helping individuals and families maneuver their respective immigration journeys. Today we are going to be talking about an important part of the asylum process, namely the interview. Asylum interviews are nothing to be fearful of. They are simply an opportunity given to you to explain to the US government why you are afraid to go back to your home country, why you should be allowed to remain in the United States. Generally speaking, the interview is broken down into three parts. First, the officer is going to go over the I-589 to make sure that all of the information in the form is up to date. People move, people change jobs, so they want to make sure that the information is correct. Secondly, the officer is going to ask questions about why you are afraid to go back to your home country, why you should be allowed to remain in the United States. Thirdly, the officer is going to explain how USCIS is going to make a decision on your case. Sometimes you're asked to come back to pick up the decision, and at times the decision is mailed out to you. If you are represented by counsel, your attorney at the end is also going to be given an opportunity to make some closing remarks in your case. Your attorney may be given 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but generally speaking, not longer than that. And sometimes the interview runs much longer than previously anticipated, so the officer is going to say, please submit your closing arguments in writing, and we normally do that by way of email. So nothing to worry there. When you are preparing for your interview, the focus should of course be on the 589 and the statement. The 589 is self-explanatory. You want to make sure you review and make sure that all of the information is up to date. Another piece of advice that I give my clients is to read the statement, but then ask themselves questions and answer those questions. And have your phone, your mobile phone, next to you and record your own voice. Why do I say that? Because oftentimes I've noticed that clients get so nervous that they speak incredibly fast or incredibly softly, and really making it difficult for the adjudicator, or the listener in this case, to understand what it is that they're saying. So you want to come across confident, because this is your life. No one knows your life better than you. At the same time, you also want to make sure that the cadence, the speed with which you speak, is optimal. That means that it's not too slow and it's not too fast. Remember, the officer is sitting in front of you. There's a computer before him or her, and he or she is taking notes as you are speaking. So if you speak too fast, he or she is likely to miss important, critical information about your life. If, on the other hand, you are speaking too slowly, you are running the risk of having your interview take much longer than previously anticipated. Finally, just as I said, no one knows your life better than you. You can't really prepare for this part of the case. You either know your life or you don't. What you need to focus on is the way in which you're going to communicate this information to the government. That is why we focus on cadence, on speed, on confidence, on demeanor, on posture. Those are important elements of this whole process. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about your asylum case or any other questions, always reach out to us. We are happy to address them for you, or leave a comment below. Take care. Until next time.